Okay, hi everyone. So I just got back from Thailand and I actually made a poll on Instagram asking whether you guys want a whole video on makeup and body care items, and 100% like all of you guys asked for a video. So here I am right now and I have them right here with me. Ada dua bag, the beauty stuff and this. Actually, I beli dekat banyak-banyak tempat tapi I letak kucing I gaduh. Sekejap. Okay, so I'm back. Basically, these two bags is actually semua benda yang I beli dekat Thailand. I ada beli dekat 7-Eleven, I ada beli dekat Kim Yong Market, and I pun ada beli dekat Beautyrium. Obviously, the plastic bag is here, and I spent quite a lot. Beautyrium alone was around 1,900 plus baht. It's like almost berapa ratus ringgit, almost 300 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. So I macam banyak betul aku beli. I was like tak nak lah beli apa-apa lagi, tapi end up aku beli lagi benda dekat 7-Eleven and Kim Yong Market. So we will start with this. Dalam ni semua body care products and I will go through one by one. Lepas tu we will go to an interesting plastic bag here. Semua ni makeup tapi kita pergi ni dulu. First, kita ada sabun. Dekat sini ada dua je. I beli dua je sabun. And it's the Be White, I don't know, orange whitening soap and Madame Louise extreme white soap. Yang ni I beli dekat 7-Eleven. Yang ni I beli dekat Greenway if I'm not mistaken. I tanya apa yang best, kat sabun apa yang best, and dia cakap yang ni. And this one I ambil randomly je dekat 7-Eleven because I love the packaging. It looks so good. And actually I bought this because I selalu pergi site. Setiap kali I pergi site, I akan sunburn. So I need something that will help me to bring my skin tone back. So I beli ni. And then another thing that I bought is this. Ini pun I beli dekat 7-Eleven. It's the bonne. I tak pandai nak pronounce this thing. But anyway, it's the spa milk salt. I don't know what this is. It's a scrub actually. So ini I beli sebab I dengar brand ni bagus. So let's see. Hopefully this will work. I suka body scrub by the way. And then I also buy another body scrub which is the Queen Tamarind Gluta white scrub. I beli 3 tapi I bagi satu dekat kawan I. And I beli 2 kat sini. And actually benda ni agak hype dekat TikTok Malaysia, and I was like, oh, I found this, so why not I just buy them there in Thailand, which is way cheaper. So I was like, kalau bagus I akan belilah dekat kedai-kedai TikTok tu. And then the last thing is this lotion. So this lotion is the Shiroi Gluta Berry Plus Vitamin C White Body Cream. So I beli ni sebab I tanya dekat sales guy tu apa yang bagus, and dia cakap, oh, this is one of the best seller, one of the best thing. So I just beli je lah. I beli kat Kim Yong. Okay, next we'll go to this. This is like my heaven, you know. Walaupun I belanja banyak sangat untuk benda ni, tapi I rasa bahagia. I suka sangat bila I beli barang ni. Sebelum kita pergi ke make up, dalam ni actually ada benda lain yang I beli. I beli dekat kedai 7-Eleven. Yang ni is actually the inhaler. It's like pretty famous. Orang selalu beli untuk souvenir, tapi I beli untuk diri I sendiri because I kinda need this kalau I flu or stuff like that. Ni adalah stiker 7-Eleven. I simpan sebab dia comel. And then this is all things that I bought from what was the store name? Strawberry something. Semua barang dalam tu 10 baht. And actually dekat phone I sekarang ni ada satu, tak tahulah nampak ke tak. Tu. And yang tu cinnamon roll. And this one is Kuromi. Nampak tak? Ni Kuromi. Comel kan? Lepas tu I beli gelang. And then I beli ni cleaning sponge. And then I beli ni sebab dia comel. Semua tu 10 baht sahaja. I was like, okay, let's go for makeup now. I will go through by category, which is the eye first. So untuk eye makeup, I beli eyebrow saja, eyebrow product, which is the eyebrow mascara. I tak beli eyebrow pencil sebab I dah ada eyebrow shape sendiri, so I better pakai eyebrow mascara je. Yang ni I dengar brand dia sangat bagus, Browit. And then Meilinda. I tak sabar nak try semua ni. I belum try lagi benda ni. And then I beli eyeliner from Merrez'ca. And then another eyeliner yang ni I beli dekat Greenway. It's the Sivanna Color Party Time Colorful Party Pearl Eyeliner. It looks so cute. Oh my god, look at the filter. Hilang. Anyway, this is so good. I hope that they're good. And then this is the mascara from Odbo. And dia beli dekat Beautyrium juga. And then these two, apa benda ni I lupa, contact lenses. Okay, this contact lenses is in apa ni, Sol, Two Tone and Miga. Yang Miga ni brown, yang ni grey. Tengok. Comel. I also ada beli benda ni juga, yang palette kind of stuff, which is this eyeshadow. I tak tahu dia punya pigmentation okay or not, tapi tengoklah comel gila. This is actually the eyeshadow, and then this is the donut highlighter from, I don't know, cara, Be Colorful. Looks so cute. I tried dia punya tester, dia macam best lah. And then this is a well-known blusher, the Peach On My Blush 08 in Peach. And then this For You To blusher. I nak buka tapi kejap. Ni blusher dia. Blusher ni dalam shades MO8 Suntan. Comel. For You To Matte Blush. I beli sebab I punya blusher dah banyak lama dah, so I rasa macam I need to replace them. And then I bought this powder. It's a loose powder from Srichand translucent powder, 30 gram. Actually I dengar brand ni sangat bagus, so I belilah. I nak try dia punya foundation, but then I teringat rumah I mesti banyak foundation, so I macam tak apalah, maybe next time foundation, maybe masa I pergi lagi I akan beli foundation. And then I beli ni. Ni is the Sasi All Day Fix Translucent Setting Powder. I tak tahu dia bagus ke tak, but I hope dia bagus. It was on sale for like 33 baht, so I was like, okay, let's ambil. Murah je guys. And then I got these two lip gloss. The lip gloss from Baby Bright. Baby Bright in apa ni? Oh, kuatnya angin. This is a Sweet Cafe Shiny Tint. Dia macam lip tint and glossy finish. And dia dalam shades Brown Sugar and Choco Lava. Tengok. Cantik kan colour dia? I suka colour macam ni. Bibir satu je tapi lipstick banyak. And I also beli dia punya lip gloss. Ini bukan dari Baby Bright. This is actually from For You To Cosmetic. It's the Serum Tint Oil. Dia macam glossy punya. Memang glossy. Aku pun tak tahu aku cakap apa Ni lip oil yang buat glossy finish. Yes, that's what I should say. And the last part is this three stuff. Okay, ni lipstick from Merrez'ca water blurring lip tint, and there's this Soul Chic lip tint, and the last one is this one is apa ni, primer. So everything is there, dah siap. Tengok sipah guys. Oh my god, tak tahu lah nampak ke tak, but anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this kind of video. See you again, bye bye. I akan buat video makeup I guess. I tak tahulah.